What's poppin', Mayhem Goddess Gang? In today's video, we are going to go over the Bombshell Candylicious palette. Now, these are the lashes that I have called Sugar Baby, and they are in the style Bling, which are really super cute, but you'll tell at the end of the video one lash was kind of wonky and I was almost tempted to get some super glue so that they would stay on. Now here is the palette right here, Candylicious. This must be a really hot item on Instagram because I believe they started off selling lashes first and then they started to move on to makeup. Now when you get your palette, do keep in mind that it will take a good minute for you to receive it. It took 2 weeks for me to get it. Some people in their comments say that it was taking like a month. So this palette does come with a mirror and it folds back, and it also has 18 colors, and out of those 18 colors, 6 of them are shimmers. Now in order from the front row all the way down to the bottom, we have Kisses, Peaches, Grape Soda, Blueberry, Peanut, and Black Sugar. Moving on to the second row, Milkshake, Brown Sugar, Peanut Butter, Berry Sweet, Cherry Pie, and Cheesecake. And moving on to the last row, Hazelnut, Slush, Cotton Candy, Minty, Honey, and Milk Chocolate. Now starting off with our base, I'm not going to go with the original base I usually go with. I'm going to be using this NYX eyeshadow base. I think this is like milk, or I'm just going to call it white, okay? And I'm applying that all over the lid and blending that out. Then after that, we are going to be using the color Honey and applying that just almost at the brow bone, but not really. Next color is going to be Cherry Pie, which is this gorgeous red color. And I'm going to be blending that into Honey so that we have a nice gradient of yellow to red. And then the next color is Grape Soda. I like me a grape soda. And I'm going to apply that just below Cherry Pie to make those colors really blend together well, mesh well. Y'all know what I'm saying. So when you're done, it should look something like this. Now going back into that NYX eyeshadow primer, we are going to cut the crease. So take your time on this. I kind of put just a little small bit in there so you can see how slow I'm actually going with cutting my crease. After the crease is cut, you are going to take cotton candy and apply that all over the lid. And you guys, make sure you follow me on Snapchat. I need some goddesses to talk to. And make sure you follow me on Instagram. I need some goddesses to talk to, alright? Now using Milk again, or this eyeshadow base, I'm going to be creating my wing because you are going to see what I'm going to do later. So with an angle brush, I'm going to be creating a wing. Once you're done with that, take Blueberry and apply that to the white wing that we just did so that we have a nice blue wing. You are welcome. You don't have to buy the liquid liners. You can simply do it with eyeshadow. Now going back into Grape Soda, I'm going to be applying that at the bottom lash line. And then taking this LA Girl gel liner in the color Aquatic, I believe, that's going to go into my bottom waterline. And then for the inner corner, I am going to be taking the color. What is the name of that color? Hold on. Slush. Put slush in your inner corner and then put milkshake on the brow bone. Now using this a favorite L'Oreal Infallibles in the color, I think it's 70% Yum. Smells good, smells like chocolate. And there is the infamous highlighter that we did a few videos ago. Do y'all see that bling? That's what I'm talking about. As promised, that's what I did. I told y'all I was going to use it, and I did. That concludes today's look. I wanted to give you guys something different other than my traditional black eyeliner. I know black eyeliner gets boring. I have used the NYX one with all the, I think they call it the Vivid eyeliner or whatever. That shit is crap. So anyway, tell me what your thoughts are on this right here. Now the lashes are almost too long. I thought I would never say that about myself, but I had to cut some on the side in order for them to fit, and then I had the hardest time trying to stick them on. Quite possible it could have been the eyeshadow eyeliner that I did, the blue. And as promised, here is the highlighter that we made a few videos back, so make sure you check that out. That's in the cards right here, over there somewhere, I don't know. So you let me know what you think about these colors. Is it worth $60? Is it worth it? You let me know. I have my mixed reviews, but I want to see what you guys say first. Also, what do you think about the lashes? They're totally cute, but they're almost too long for me. This might be great for somebody who loves a really long lashes. I wear glasses, y'all know. A bitch can't see. A bitch cannot see. So these lashes will totally hit my, they will, look, we just gonna do it right now so we can see how stupid I look. Y'all see that? Do you see that? I can't see nothing. This is why. And if I slide them down like this, they're just on the tip of my nose, and then I have to look up all sultry like. And it's just not worth it to me. So we're just gonna take these off. The reason why I don't like lashes too long, if I was a contact wearer, I would do it, but I'm not. So leave your comments down below on what you think if this kit, well, whole thing was worth $89. As I said earlier in the video, this took almost about, nope, it did. It took 2 weeks to get to me. Some people said it's going on 3 months. Some people said 3 weeks. I don't know what's going on. Just like I said, this is a company based off in Puerto Rico because I looked at it. So there you have it. Until next time, it's been me, your girl, Mayhem Beauty, and I will see you in the next video.